Chị tập trung học đúng không? Chúng ta cần phải làm gì để tự bảo vệ mình trước các rủi ro trên không gian mạng? Ngay bây giờ hãy cùng chúng tôi bắt đầu chương trình này.
Hello.
Hi,
Hi, Sapphire. Good morning.
good morning, teacher.
All right. Where are you now?
What?
Are you in your house?
Yes,
Oh, yeah. It looks different. Is that your sister?
yeah,
Hi. All right. So, yeah, how are you, Sapphire?
I'm happy.
You're happy. Okay, that's good that you're happy. So, did you play this morning? Did you play? Hi. Did you play?
Yes,
Yeah, what did you play with your sister?
I'll play.
You played what?
Play, play around.
You played what? With hide and seek?
Play toy.
Toys. What toys did you play? With your dolls? Dolls?
Yeah,
Teddy bears?
yeah,
Kitchen toys? No, not kitchen. All right, so did you eat breakfast? What did you
yeah.
eat for breakfast?
I eat noodle.
Noodles. Oh, okay. Wow. You like it? Yeah. Okay, so and how's the weather today? Is it hot?
But
Is it hot today? Is it sunny?
yeah,
All right. Okay, so I think we can start our lesson now, Sapphire. Can you see the book?
no,
No. No. Yeah, maybe you can. How about now? Can you see it now? Can you see?
yes.
Yes. All right. So now we're going to have this one. So let's read the sentence and the sentences and practice. There's a bed next to the bookshelf.
There
A bed?
a bed next to the bookshelf.
Yes. There is.
There, there is
Mm-hmm. Next to.
next to,
In front of.
in front of,
Behind.
behind,
All right. So this is next to. Okay. Next to.
next,
In front of.
behind,
And
behind.
behind. Do you understand it, Safar?
Uh,
Do you understand?
yeah.
All right. So, number one, there's a
This are
mhm,
this uh
what?
this
There's a bed.
the a bed next to the bookshop.
Yes, that's right. There's a bed next to the bookshelf. This one, number two.
There a bed
Oh, there's a
there
bookshelf.
there a bookshop in front
Oh,
of
in front. Are you sure in front? Where's the bookshelf?
behind
Yes, so there's a bookshelf behind
the bed.
the bed. That's right. All right, how about this one? There's
There's
What?
There,
Ah,
there,
there's what?
there are
Mm-hmm. There's what?
what?
There's a what? There's a sofa. There's a sofa.
A sofa.
Mm-hmm. Where?
A sofa in
Where's the
front
yes,
of the
the table. Table.
table.
Yeah, there's a sofa in front of the table. All right, how about number 4?
There a table.
Uh-huh, there's a sofa.
A
There's a
sofa.
sofa.
A sofa
Mm-hmm.
behind the table.
Yes, that's right. There's a sofa behind the table. And this one? Number 5.
A clock.
There's a
Clock.
clock.
The
There's a
a
clock.
clock.
Mm-hmm.
There are there
Uh-huh.
there a clock
Mm-hmm.
next to the TV.
Oh, that's a computer. Next to the computer. Okay. Next to the computer. And number 6.
Laptop.
Yeah, laptop or computer. Yeah, computer.
The
Laptop computer.
there
Yeah,
a top
com
top
computer.
be, be, behind the
Behind? Are you sure behind? Is it behind?
behind
No, it's not behind.
in front of
Yes, that's right.
the clock.
Yes, that's right. There's a laptop in front of the clock. Good job. Now let's have this one. Let's read the sentences now. Is there a bed next to the bookshelf? Is
Is
there?
a bed next to the bookshelf?
Yes, there is.
Yes, there is.
No, there isn't.
No, there isn't.
Isn't is not.
Isn't. It's not.
All right, so I'm going to ask you questions. Okay, so this is how you're going to answer. Okay, number 1. Is there a bed next to the bookshelf? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
there is. Yes, there is.
Yes, there is.
All right, number 2. Is there a bookshelf behind the bed? Is there a
No, there
bookshelf?
isn't.
No, there isn't. It's behind. It's next to, right? It's
The
next to the bed. All right. And
Mm,
number 3. Is there a computer?
is
Mm,
there
a computer next to the chair? Or in front? Yeah, in front of the chair. Is there a computer in front of the chair?
yes they are there
There
is
is. Yes, there is. All right. Number 4. Is there a sofa in front of the bookshelf? Is there a sofa in front of the bookshelf?
yes that
In
is
front. In front of.
no there isn't
No, there isn't. And is there a table behind the sofa? Is there a table behind the sofa?
Yes. There is.
Behind. Behind. Behind the sofa?
Yes, there is.
No, it's in front of. It's in front of the sofa, right?
Oh.
The sofa is behind, but the table is in front of. Okay? There a table in front of the sofa? So yes, there is. Number 6. Is there a clock next to the sofa? Is there a clock in front of the sofa?
Yes.
Yes, there
There
is. Yes, there is. All right. So maybe we can play a game next to, in front of, behind. Bamboozle. Okay, let's play a game, Sapphire.
Yes.
Yeah, next to, in front of, and behind. Behind, between, where is next to, in front of, behind.
Chẳng hạn như là có việc gì mấy cái bộ đó là mình lên xem.
Okay, so let's play a game here. You want to play with me?
Yeah.
Okay, just make it fast because this is all out of numbers. Sapphire and me. All right, so you choose a number.
2.
2. There is a bed,
There is the bed.
blank the bookshelf. What? Next to, in front of, or behind?
Behind the
The bed. The bed. Behind the
bed.
bookshelf?
Yeah.
Where's the bed? Where is the bed? There
Bed.
is a bed, blank the
Bed.
bookshelf.
Black.
This one. Where's the bed? There is a bed next to, in front of, or behind.
Behind.
Oh no, it's in front of. The bed is in front of the bookshelf. Oh no. Right, my turn. There is a blank next to the table. There is a bed next to the table. Your turn. Your turn, Sapphire.
5.
5. Oh, take 15 points. Oh no, you took my
Yeah.
points. Oh no. All right, my turn. I'll choose 16. Ah, take points from Sapphire. I'll take your 15 points again.
Now.
Your turn.
1.
1. There is a table
Table next to the bed.
next to the bed. That's right. All right, my turn. I choose 3. Other team loses 20 points. Oh no. Oh no, Sapphire, you lose 20 points. Your turn.
6.
Number 6. There is a
Bookshop.
There's a bookshelf in front of the bookshelf. There's a what?
Bed in front the
Yeah,
bookshop.
there's a bed in front of the bookshelf. Number 13. There is a blank next to the bookshelf. There's a sofa next to the bookshelf. Yeah. Your turn.
4.
4. Read it. There's a
There is a bookshop in
bookshelf
bookshop
in front of
The sofa.
The bookshelf is in front of the sofa?
Yeah.
No. What's in front of the
Oh.
sofa?
Table.
Yeah, in front of, this is next to, right? So the answer is table. All right, my turn. I'll choose 8. There's a blank in front of the bookshelf. There's a computer, laptop, computer. Yeah, computer. Your turn.
9.
9.
No.
Oh no,
10.
you don't like 9? You win 50 points. You like 10?
Yay.
You like 10, Sapphire? Do you like 10?
No.
Oh no.
Guys.
You said you like 10? Do you like 10?
No.
Alright, I'll get 15. There's a blank behind the bed. There's a bookshelf behind the bed. Yeah. Alright, your turn.
10.
10. There's a blank in front of the clock. There's a, please read.
A bookshop.
Bookshelf. Shelf. Bookshelf.
Bookshelf.
Mhm. There's a bookshelf in front of the clock. Okay, so my turn. Oh no. I choose 12. There's a blank next to the bed. Table. Maybe table. Yeah. Your turn.
11.
11. Yeah, please read. There's a
sofa. In front of the table.
is it in front of? In front of?
Yeah.
It's behind. It's
What?
behind the table. Yeah. The sofa is in front of the table. And the table is yeah. The sofa is yeah, wait a minute. Again. So the sofa is behind the table and the table is in front of the sofa. Okay? The table is in front of the sofa and the sofa is behind the table. All right, I think you don't have points for that. My turn. There's a sofa next to the bookshelf. Bookshelf. Oh, I said bookshelf. There's a sofa next to the clock. Oh, you win. You win. All right, maybe we can play another game. We still have time. Next to, in front of, behind. Let's have this one. Yeah. Oh, so many. Let's make it a little only. How many questions? Oh, there are no options here. So we need to play everything. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, 14. So Sapphire and me. All right. Okay, choose a number. Sapphire, choose a number.
1.
Number 1. All right, wait a minute. I'm just fixing the camera. Number 1. Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Where is the dog?
Dog is next to Bob.
Next to the box. Next to the box. Okay, the dog is next to the box. Good job. All right, my turn. I'll choose 7. Where's the elephant? It's next to the chair. Okay. Your turn.
5.
5. Where's the wolf? Where's
Is
the wolf? Mhm.
is off
Oh,
off
in front?
yeah
Oh no.
behind
What? Are you sure?
yeah
So where's the wolf? Behind the? It's behind the what? It's behind the what? Sapphire, where's the wolf?
and
Hmm? It's behind the tree, right? Behind the tree.
two.
Yeah, it's behind the tree. All right, my turn. I'll choose 2. Where's the dog? Oh, next to, in front of. It's on the chair. It's on the chair. Yeah, it's on the chair. Okay. All right, your turn, Sapphire.
11.
11. Where's the worm?
The worm.
Mhm.
The worm.
This one, the worm. That's the worm. Where is
The
it?
worm. The worm is.
Mm-hmm.
The worm is
Yes. Behind? The worm is behind. Are you sure?
no
So where is it?
worm. The worm is on for
The worm is the worm is
the worm is
mm-hmm. Is what?
the worm is on farm
In front of
of the apple.
Yeah, it's in front of the apple. All right, I'll choose 8. Where's the box? It's behind the apple. The box is behind the apple. Yes. Your turn. Your turn.
9.
9. Where's the dog?
Dog is
In, on, or under?
on the
Hmm?
on
In,
the
on, under. Okay, so the dog is, it's under the
dog is on the chair.
chair?
No table.
Table. It's under the table. Okay, good job. My turn. I'll choose 6. Where's the book? It's next to the apple. It's next to the apple. Yeah, the book is next to the apple. Okay, all right. Your turn.
3.
3. Where's the worm? Where's the worm?
Is behind. It's behind
Behind
the
the
apple.
It's behind the
Apple.
apple?
Yeah.
Yes, that's right. It's behind the apple. My turn. I'll choose 4. Where's the apple? It's in front of the box. Yeah, it's in front of the box. All right. Your turn.
10.
10. 10. Oh no, you take points from me.
5.
5. 5? Really? 5? Just 5? Oh, nice. Very nice. My turn. I'll choose 12. Go to first place. Oh no. Your turn. Sapphire. What number do you like?
14.
14. This one?
Yeah.
Oh no, double point. Oh no, double
Yay!
points. You're so lucky. You're so lucky. And I'll have, oh no, swap point. Swap point, Sapphire. I got your point.
Ah!
I win. Number 1. Oh yeah, this is so tricky. Oh, yeah. Okay. All right. So we can end that one. And you'll see if we still have time. Okay. Oh yeah. So we will have that one next time. And yeah, maybe you can tell me something in your house, Sapphire. Sapphire.
What?
Where where's the table? Where's your table?
What?
Where's the table? Where's the table? It's in front of the
Me.
It's in front of you. It's in front of the chair, right? It's in front of the chair. Where's the TV?
TV.
Yeah. Where's the TV? Hmm? Where's the TV? Where's the TV? You don't know?
Yeah.
Oh no. Okay, so I think we don't have enough time, so we will continue on our next class. All right, so yeah. Okay, so goodbye, Safar. Bye bye. See you next
Bye.
time.
Bye.
Bye.